Got a possum. You little rascal. I have to take him away because if I let him go, he's going to keep eating out of my traps. I was wondering who keeps eating out of the traps and, not. So these possums are screwing up my trapping for my raccoons. So I'm going to take this one and release it in an appropriate area on the way back, and then I'm going to put another trap out because I need at least 2 traps. Oh yeah, and when you see the see the pipe chase, the conduit run going into the foundation, you see that gap there? I gotta seal that up because that's how mice get in. You get mice and even bees during the summer, spring and summer, you get bees. But I'm not gonna even name this one. I'm just gonna take him away. You have a whole ecological preserve over here. It's all self-sustaining. It's like non-stop wildlife here. But we take them to a designated area where it's not in their residential. It's self-sustaining areas where you can release wildlife and they're not gonna overpopulate the area. It's plenty of trees. Here it's like, it's really limited, and then the access straight to people's yards. It's not a good idea. You can see all the droppings from the raccoons on the roof. Is that disgusting? Yeah, people never notice that. So it's going up and around and going into the attic and causing a big mess. Alright, I'm going to get finished with this. That's why we got to check the traps every day, because it can get really cold or raining, and you don't want the animals to not suffer.